Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to set up vehicles and equipment in addition to how you would leverage this information when scheduling or creating routes within Field Central. By setting up vehicles and equipment, you will be able to quickly answer the following questions for a more informed scheduling and routing process. Do I have the right equipment for the work to do? And do I have the right equipment to perform the work on a specific property? The ability to quickly answer these questions directly from scheduling and routing pages will allow you to manage exceptions with ease and empower you to prevent timely scheduling mishaps. Once you have logged into Field Central, navigate to the Settings page via the Quick Access panel. Then select Vehicles and Equipment. Here's where you will set up your equipment groups, which work to-dos those equipment groups are connected to, types of equipment, and then the ability to set up specific pieces of equipment and organize among your vehicles. To begin setting up, you will start with the section labeled Work to Do Equipment Groups. Work to Do equipment groups will be used to ensure that the crew or vehicle assigned to the visit has the right equipment to perform the work. To create Work to Do equipment groups, click the corresponding green plus button. Provide the equipment group a name and then select which services and work to-dos are supported by the equipment group. The next step will be to take the work to-do equipment groups that were just created and set up what equipment types will be included. Equipment types will be assigned to properties that require specific equipment to perform the work. To create, click the green plus button within the section and a row will become editable. The next step is to log the specific pieces of equipment that live within those equipment types. To do this, click the green plus button within the corresponding section, provide unique equipment names and descriptions, confirming which equipment type they fall under. And finally, the last step for vehicles and equipment setup is to then create the list of vehicles and map the specific equipment to each vehicle it is on. Select the green plus button within the section and provide the vehicle's names and descriptions. You are now able to assign the equipment to the specific vehicle by clicking the Assign Equipment icon. A window will open for you to assign the equipment list created. On the far left-hand side will be the list of all equipment available based on your setup to this point. To assign, simply click the equipment and drag to the desired vehicle. The equipment will be removed from the unassigned equipment list and added to the selected vehicle. Continue this process until each vehicle has the appropriate equipment assigned to it. Once complete, click Save and Close. Once Work to Do equipment groups are set up within the Vehicles and Equipment section, you will also be able to assign Work to Do equipment groups directly within the Work to Do. This will especially come in handy when adding or editing existing work to-dos and need to make any adjustments to the corresponding equipment groups. Additionally, if a property has any equipment type needs, this can be set at the property level within the property overview. If needing to add this information en masse, property equipment type is also an included field when importing properties within settings. When all setup is complete, you will be able to leverage this information when scheduling and utilizing the route builder. From the schedule page, you will be able to see when a crew is assigned to a vehicle with specific equipment by the icon next to the crew's name. If a property is placed on the schedule that has any specific equipment type requirements, these will be flagged with an exclamation icon within the schedule block. If a service is placed on a crew's schedule and their assigned vehicle does not have the equipment needed, an alert icon will appear on the corresponding work to do with a warning message. The same warning icon will appear next to the crew's name. This notifies you that there is a work to do on their schedule that cannot be completed because the assigned crew does not have the right equipment. For the route builder, these alerts will help you to create routes for the right crews and help prevent issues when placing the routes on the schedule. If your crews or vehicles have different equipment and specific properties require certain types of equipment, setting up your company's vehicles and equipment could help save you and your team time and headaches. Knowing ahead of time if a scheduled work to do will be able to be completed by the assigned crew allows users to take immediate action to resolve if needed and prevent wasted time.